Ngithe le video angiyenze u-part 1 no-part 2. Ngenze u-part 1 no-part 2. Ngiyigcine ekutheni noma kungathiwa umuntu ubhekane nani, sibhilivela ekutheni umuntu akadile naleyo nto leyo afike ese-right. Okukhathaza kakhulu mina ukuthi sengahlala phansi nga-realise-a zonke lezi zinto engiyichazayo ukuthi why i-relationship yethu ingekho right. It stems from my mother's passing, and then from my mother's passing, the way we were taught, the way we were told ukuthi ngeke sibe lutho, the way we were belittled as ngesiNgisi, sibukelwa phansi, sikhweshinwa, sishawa ngemvubu. So leyo nto leyo igcina isi-create ukuthi nawe uthi I am only protecting myself, yabo. I am gonna remove myself. I once had a conversation nomfana omdala. I was like, into engayitshela yona sikhula eyamasitili ukuthi noma kungathiwani, out of the three of us ngeke kube yimina ozofeyila, ngeke kube yimina ozophenduka iphara, ngeke kube yimina ozohlulwa impilo. I have always told myself lokho internally ukuthi angingabe mina isiphoxi. Khumbula ukuthi I am telling myself ukuthi angingabe mina isiphoxi. Why? It's because vele we are expected ukuthi sibe yiphoxi. And then it turns out ukuthi nomfana omdala naye had the same mentality. Mase sengitshela ukuthi hayi nami yazi ngangibuka kanjalo yonke into leyo. Lokho kwangenza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi okay, okusho ukuthi we have the same traumatic patterns, but umehluko ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukuyilokhunja ukuyikhuluma into, ngiyakwazi ukuyiqala, ingakho ngalokhunja. Ingakho I even opted ka first year at-UT, I even opted to go to a therapist. There was this lady uNombeko therapist. Speaking to uNombeko, ile nga-realize khona ukuthi umuntu emotionally akekho right. Uyabona, uzokhula in an environment whereby sihlala ngasey'mayini, kune-smoke esi-toxic lana, sihlezi sifaka ama-mask. Vele wena you're gonna think ukuthi okay, le mpilo i-normal vele, until you move out of leyo ndawo le engasey'mayini, and then you realize ukuthi hayibo, mina bengihlala endaweni engekho normal, yes, but this is normal. So nami growing up still, I felt ukuthi yonke into yayi-normal and umuntu vele is supposed to grow up like this. Noma futhi abanye abantu vele bakhula kanje. So angikho special until I went to varsity. I spoke to uNombeko. That's when I realized ukuthi ayingeke. That environment was not good for me. Cabanga ngi-realize lento sengino-19 years if not 20 years. 19 years if not 20 years. Lento engizoyisho vele angakufanele abe ngiyayisho, but umuntu besedimejekile vele. So I attended ama-sessions noNombeko, kwawukuthi uNombeko uzovele ahambeke ayosebenza in Newcastle. So kwanaleyo lo breakdown futhi yake, nawo lowo breakdown leyo, and then I just felt alone futhi, because into uNombeko ayenza ukuthi angisuse ebumnyameni, angikhombise i-light, and then kuleyo light leyo bese iyangihaga. So the more engihaga, and then later sefanele enze njani, ahamba aye e-UKZN ngomsebenzi, siyosebenza khona like permanently. And then sekuzofanele futhi angishiye futhi, yabo. And then mangishiya futhi sekuvele kuba mnyama futhi, yabo. So umuntu wa-default-a basically, wa-default umuntu psychological, wa-default-a. That's when I started ukulokhunja, to realize ukuthi okay, lento iyangishaya, but I was like, let me just find a girlfriend. Mangithola i-girlfriend kuzoba right, I can be able to heal myself. So ukufika kwami kuqala e-varsity, I studied in DUT, ngafunda ngenze i-national diploma in child and youth care. I even did my BTech, but kwaney'nkinga ey'khona engizolokhunja along the way engizozama ukuyihlahlela. So I went there to study i-childcare because ngangifuna ukuy'siza mina basically. Ngangifuna ukuy'siza mina. I wanted ilokhunja i-healing by doing the course because ngangizwile vele ukuthi okay, mawenza le course le, you get to work with iy'ngane ezi-vulnerable, iy'ngane ezi-abuse-ziwe, whether it's physically, emotionally, psychologically, iy'ngane ezi-neglect-thwa abazali, iy'ngane mhlampe ey'hlala emgaqweni, iy'ngane eziphila ngey'dakamizwa. Yabona ku-80% wey'ngane esidila nazo from ilokhunja i-course, I was 90% of lezo y'ngane lezo. I was neglected. I grew up without a parent. Yabo ngangizona lezo y'ngane lezo. So doing leya course leyana ngangiy'hila mina. It was the process of healing myself. So ngayifunda i-course, bengazi abantu ukuthi ngifunda i-course because ngifuna ukuy'hila mina. Not because I wanted to do like the actual job, but it's because like I wanted to heal my inner child. So ngayenza i-course, kwakhona ukungena khona kwakungekho lula because ngaqale ngafunda e-UKZN, e-Howard. I was doing kwakuthiwa i-BSOC in social work. Yes, I wanted to do i-social work. So yonke imisebenzi, yonke into engifuna ukuyifundela, it was because I wanted to heal myself because ngase ngiqala ukulokhunja, kwase kuqala ukuba heavy on me indlela engangikhula ngayo ekhaya. So I did i-BSOC ngayeka ngoJune. I think I drop out ngoJune. Nga-drop out why kwaku-busy kakhulu for mina. Ukubona kugcwele iy'ngane zesikole ziphethe obhakha left and right, ziyaphuma ziyangena, zingey'hleli ziyadla, yabo ziphethe iy'ncwadi. For me, it was something foreign ukuba environment kanjani. Mind you, ngifunde esikhetha uxolo mina. I was doing ama-general studies. I did my history, my life sciences, my geography. Ngenza i-geography. I did i-English yakhona. It was basic English. Sasifundiswa uQueen Shelembe, may her soul rest in peace, because when she tried. So mengifika laphana, it was too much for me. I was not coping. Eklasini, I used to stay le phezulu kuma-lecture room. Angihlala le phezulu, i-lecture iba le enzansi, wayesayikhuluma ngesiNgisi, bebevula iy'ncwadi abantu. I didn't have books. Abanye they had ama-laptops. I didn't have laptops. I've never like touched ilokhunja i-laptop before, but I have seen a computer before. Because uJavas wenayo i-computer ngasekhaya. So izinto ey'ningi they were foreign to me. Whereas some of my friends babehlala e-Reina la ngase-Playhouse. There's a flat opposite him in Khosa. There was a flat khona. Impilo yayimnandi leyo, yabo, outside of varsity. Uthi okay, siyaphuza lana and stuff. Like umuntu waye kwi-peak yakhe yokuba ingane. And whereas ngisuka kwi-environment eyayi-toxic. So for once I felt free. I just felt free. Ngilokhu nje-ke ngi-Vermont ngazi, let me just drop out. When drop out, I had to move. Ngiyohlala nogogo e-Verulam Parkgate. Ngihlale nogogo. Mengihlala nogogo, I had to tell gogo, okay, I've decided to drop out kanje. I think ngaqamba amanga nje athi. I was like, okay, no, ngizo-apply. Wathi gogo, ngoba vele uJune to December it's fine. So ngazama uku-apply. Ngiyakhumbula ngomunye day, there was this guy sasifunda naye esikoleni, uBongumusa Ngiba, a brilliant somebody. uNgubo was brilliant ngale ndlela le. uNgubo was brilliant because ngabona e-high school ukuthi okay, kuze ngiphase nami ama-matric, I need to stick to this guy. By sticking naye, ngizomcela ukuthi asi-cross night sifunde nanani because wehlakaniphile yena. Because sazi esinaye sa-formulator ama-after school classes in matric. Mina nganguthisha we-history. uMxoli, I think, was in charge of geography. uLetho was in, anoma we-science, but ungibe nama-subjects, I think awu-2, because sahlala as ama-jitho like yazini bafethu aqayina ama-after classes because sasifundisa kulo ma-after classes. And then after ama-after classes sasi-cross nighter. Ngiyakhumbula siwalker from e-6 siya from e-6 siya e-2, from e-2 siya eMkwadasi kaSinqobile. There was a good friend of mine uSinqobile. Sasifunda kaSinqobile si-cross-night khona sibuye ekuseni, yabo. Into leyo isasiyiqayile isinongiba, yabo. Nakhona futhi ngangithe ngiba siyenze because ngangibona ukuthi ngizosizakala mina kakhulu. So sagcina sesinama-extra classes kanjalo. Nhlanhla leyo-ke umuntu waphasa ka-matric. Mengiphasa ka-matric umuntu kwathiwa uthole u-bachelors. I didn't even understand u-bachelors yini, hence angizange ngi-apply because njengoba ngishilo umuntu enganawo ama-high hopes ngoba sasitshelwa vele ekhaya ukuthi ngeke sibe yilutho. I was told ukuthi my matric has been gazetted as if I can go to university. That's when sengiyela abantu laba abagcwala ababambula yini abafuna iy'khala because ngiyakhumbula siye eJude because I also wanted to be a teacher. Ngoba ey'koleni zaselokishini baningi omina enhle vele abadinga lolu usizo engangilidinga. Baningi omina enhle oway'khona ngithole izinto engangibhekene nazo mina. Yes, it was not the teacher's responsibility to single me out angibuze ukuthi ngi-right yini because phela mehlele eklasini sonke you can never tell ukuthi ubani ongekho right. So i-teaching was also one of the options because ngangifila ngathi ngizokwazi to touch iy'mpilo zey'ngane and then make a change. Khumbula kahle sifike eJude we told ukuthi kuney'khali ezu-1,500 but abantu aba-aplayile bawu-6,000 nento. And thina sasama-late applications sinongiba. So I was like ukungiba ingeke mfethu asiyeke sayeka-ke and then umuntu-ke ended up ethathwa-ke e-Howard. So kwangalungi e-Howard nga-drop out and then I applied. The following year ngabizwa e-DUT kuphela. Mengibizwa e-DUT na kwathiwa I need to come for interview ne-test. E-Faculty of Health kwakwenziwa ama-test-ke back then nama-interviews engingazi manje. So mengiya laphana ngangine-research encane eyayi-basic nge-course ukuthi deal ney'ngane. So mengiya laphana it was a Wednesday. Sasiba-30 njengoba sasiba-30 sahleli la ngase-Rethini mawungena eSmartTPC kwakukhona iy'ngane eziwumtakabani. Yabo lezi ngane ey'khuluma isiNgisi, ey'phethe amafoni, ey'gqoke kahle, ey'shoyo ukuthi mesisuka la siyothenga i-burger, yabo, siyothenga ama-fried, yabo. Mina zonke lezo zinto zazingekho lezo zinto lezo. So ukubona lezi ngane lezi kwangithusa kakhulu ukuthi okay ngizoyenza lama-interview ngibhale ama-test nalezi ngane lezi. Ayi ngeke ngithathwe mina la vele. Ngeke vele ngithathwe mina but ke ngoba sengifikile let me just do the interview. Sangena kwi-lecture room kwathiwa asibhale i-test. Ngabhala phela ngoba kuyabhalwa. Angikhumbuli nanandi angiyibhala laphana. Emva kwalokho we called for interviews. Oh, before sibizwe for ama-interviews ngikhumbula kahle sesibuyele ngaseMaster before sibizwe for i-interview. Zona lezi ngane lezi engiyayisho nje ukuthi no mina ngifunda eKloof, mina ngifunda e-Witbank, mina ngifunda kephi, omunye ngifunda la eThekwini mina. So babesho zonke lezi iy'kole lezi ezazi-right yabo because mina I come from a township school and you could see ukuthi okay lezi ngane zi-healthy even psychologically zi-healthy. Sabizwa for ama-interviews ababebuya babesho ukuthi hey mina ngithola umlungu. Athi mina ngingcono ngithola umuntu omnyama yabo. So nami I was hoping ukuthi okay engathi ngathola uprofessor noma i-lecturer umuntu omnyama. So that is going to be easier for me to just explain myself because phela angisazi phela isiNgisi. Ngiqhamuke lokhu nje esikhetha uxolo. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi uQueen Shelembe wazama. So ngafika naleso siNgisi sami esiwu-2 ngangena laphana kwathiwa next kwathiwa wena uzoya e-room number bani. Mengiya e-room number bani ngafica some Indian lady. She introduced herself as uShalini. Shalini lecturer ya-Child and Youth Development, Child and Youth Care. Angibuza uShalini, why do you want to study this course? Yabona nje lelo sentence layo, why mina nje do you want to study this course? Kwangazi ukuthi ngiyaqala ukusiza isiNgisi lokhu ngangazalwa. Angitshela ukuthi angirelax because I seem nervous. Athi angirelaxe and take my time. Ngarelaxa ngahluleka umphenduli wangibuza ukuthi okay asenze kanje. Ikephi ekhaya, like where you from? Ngitshela ukuthi I know I'm from Hammarsdale. But I know ngiyezwa ukuthi Hammarsdale indawo e-violent kanje because of guns and stuff. Athi mina ya, wathi hhayi no, tell me about iHammersdale ukuthi ukhule endaweni ekanjani, nasekhaya ukhule kanjani. So njengoba ngimchazela ngimchazela like my upbringing, ngimchazela i-background yami, ngimchazela lezi zinto engike ngikhulume ngazo la kwi-channel yami. So we ended up sikhuluma isikhathi eside naye, wangitshela wathi hhayi no, seku-right sengingahamba. So into yayithi you need to get u-50%, at least u-50% kwi-test, at least u-50% on the interview. So mangiphuma mina ngiyo ukuthi hhayi vele ngoba phela vele ngase kuzogcina icala cause ingane ikhuluma isingisi la. So I went home ngoJanuwari ngathola i-message eshoyo ukuthi hi mina Nhle, we regret to inform you ukuthi you didn't pass your test and your interview kwa-Faculty of Health ka-Child and Youth Care. It's like yabe ngikulindele vele lokho. So into-ke isithi-ke how do I tell ugogo phela ugogo wayengibuza ukuthi ugogo hayibo sebekuphendulile yini, uqala nini, uya yini ukuyofunda? Kwaze kwarejistwa after 2 days kanje kuqeda ukurejistwa, the same Shirlene called me. Ngangiyilalele futhi wathi, am I speaking to Mina Nhle? I was like, yeah, you're speaking to Mina Nhle. And then she was like, no, I would like to inform you that there is space for one person and we decided to call you. Are you still interested in doing the course? I was like, yes, I am interested. But the tricky part is you're gonna have to pay 3.2 registration within the next coming 2 days. I was like, no, I can be able to pay that. It won't be a problem. And then she was like, okay, no, come to Lokunja finance and then pay. I was like, okay. Ngakufane ngiqamba amanga ukuthi ngizokwazi ukukhokha, ngangeke ngikwazi ukukhokha because imali ayingekho. So what I did was ngasuka in Durban in Verulam ngaya eHammersdale kugogo. Like gogo ngithathiwe duty-na ukuya university, but inkinga anginayo imali yokufunda. So gogo-ke wayebeka imali yomfana wasekhaya omncane uSimiso yempesheni. Wayebeka nje, gogo was like, hayi no, u-3,000 nemali ukhona. So kulowo 3,000 nemali ngizoregister ngayo. I was like, okay. And then I texted my older brother uNtuthuko cause yena wayenza first year back then. Ukuthi how do I apply for NSFAS? Wangibhalela phansi yonke into edingakalayo, my mother's death certificates and stuff, yonke into wangibhalela phansi yonke into. Ngathi ugogo, okay gogo, ngicela ukuqala ngiyozama ubaba kuqala, mhlawumbe uzonginika le mali. Ugogo-ke when it comes to ubaba has always been like, wey hayi loyo ngiyakwenza lokho. But mina because nganga-understand. So I went to ubaba. Mangifika endlini yababa, there was a guy owangigadela indlu because yena wayephuma ekuseni. Hhayi ngingena endlini and then I had to explain to the guy, okay no, hhayi ubaba wami lo yabo. Athi hhayi no, by 5 usuke sekhona ekuseni. Mana ngempela ubaba afike ekuseni, inkwenzi night lapho. Hawu mina Nhle mfana wami, yebo time, hey nginenkinga la time. I have been accepted to go and study at but I need iLokhunja finance. I do not have imali registration. I was like, hayi no, anginayo imali, usuyongivela umnyango-ke mase uhamba. This is what he said. Ngaphuma ngafonela ugogo, ngithi anginikanga imali, uthi ugogo ahlangane kaMagaba, kune-police station yakaMagaba. I went to kaMagaba, sabhala i-affidavit sinogogo. It's okay. Mina Nhle's mother has passed away and stuff. Mina ngugogo wakhe. Mina Nhle akasebenzi. And even amaphoyisa they were nice to us. They were nice to us. Ngagcwalisa i-affidavit yonke into, ngagibela, I went to duty, ngakhokha and then I registered. Emva kwalokho I went to eML Sultan to register for NSFAS. Back then NSFAS wawurejistela on campus. Ngafika laphana, I think kwase 30 minutes kuvalwe. Ngangikwi-last batch yokungena. Ngangena urejistele NSFAS, wawuthola same time laphana kwa-approve same time because wa-report efonini you've been accepted for NSFAS. From NSFAS I had to run back to iLokhunja. From ML Sultan I had to run back to ST Biko to go and look for residence. Mengifika kwathiwa ngiye-sport center, sport center kwakugcwele iy'ngane, but e-sport center sesiyavala manje, bhalani amagameni kulabo othi-ukhwaya laba, kusho le genge le yaka-SASCO. And then ingane was like, wey hayi ngeke laba badlala ngathi siyahamba thina lapha. I was like, hayi yazini angisale sengilahlela kodwa. Ngabhala igama lami lapho ngihamba ngaya ekhaya. 3 days later sesiqalile uku-attend because I had to go and ngiyolungisa indaba yami ye-rice. Mangifika ka-housing bangibuza ukuthi ngabhalisa yini, ngabhalisa kuthiwa khona uthi-ukhwaya ose-sport center wabhalisa kuwona. I was like, yeah ngabhalisa, ngase ngasakhumbuli. And then luckily my name was on the system. Banginika i-rice, ngawuhlala isikhombe rice. hlale sikhombe resi namajitha laphana. Ilokhunja yangelinye ilanga-ke leyo, ithi ilokhunja i-conversation yangelinye ilanga lelo. So that's how I ended up eDutina. That's how I ended up doing i-course. That's how I ended up ngithola ukusizakala therapeutically. Kwakuno i-lecture esasithula khunje uMam Thobile Mhlengwa. Akekho umuntu wesifazane osekhulise abantu esandleni sakhe njengaloya mama loyana, onesineke njengaloya mama loyana, onothando njengaloya mama loyana, o-understand-a ingane yomuntu omnyama njengaloya mama loyana, ofisa wonke umuntu empumeleni aphumelele njengaloya mama loyana, ebe yi-lecture yethu. I would have conversations noMam Thobile ofisini lakhe. Ngiyakhumbula this one time ngikhuluma naye ngimchazela about my upbringing to a point whereby ngase ngikhala, amagama ayewasho ehlezi ethi kumina Nhle u-resilient ngale ndlela le, cause abantu ababhekane nalezi zinto obhekane nazo ukhula wena basemgaqweni, bayigebengu, sebayibulala. You are very resilient. Into ayehlezi eyisho kumina leyo nje uthi Nhle, you are resilient. And whenever I felt down, because uNombeko wayesihambile, I would go to Mam Thobile and ngikhale. Ngikhumbula la ngaze ngahamba khona ngo-10. I had to go back to a-rest. Into eyenzakalayo-ke nge-childhood trauma ukuthi uma uhleli lezi zinto lezi zivele zibuye zonke bese vele nje you just burst into tears bese vele uyakhala. Ngikhumbula la ngikhala khona, there was a friend of mine from DRC, uChristina Mwepu. Christina Mwepu was a close friend of mine. Christina Mwepu was a close friend of mine. Oh, she cared a lot, Christine. Roxanne Kroger was a good friend of mine. Kakhulu Roxanne. Olona uSamkele she's from Mthwalume, was a good friend of mine. Oh, and then Umbusi Daba was a good friend, was a best friend of mine. Umfundo Khulusi was a best friend of mine. Those 5 people, ibona abantu ababe understanda i-trauma yami. Khumbula kahle ngalesikhathi engikhala ngaso, uChristine waphuma nami ngaphandle, wangitshela ukuthi kuzoba right, and then wathi it's fine, kuthiwa ngingahamba ngekhaya nge-rest. Ngikhumbula nge-rest because ama lawa uyahamba mfethu aseThekwini, Point abala ngaphandle nje kwase-duty. Ngikhumbula kahle ngigibela i-taxi laphana. Now I was sitting in front ngikhala, wazocapha kumina, mfethu kwenzakalani? Kushoniwe yini kini? I was like, hayi no, akushoniwe mfethu. Because lapho I think it was 3rd year ngihlala e-Albert Park. E-Albert Park, cause ubuye ulokhu nje u-break it down nje into tears, ubuye u-breaking it down. So lento umuntu has been growing nayo, has been growing now, and it's like a sickness, like it's a disease basically, it's a disease. And whenever izinto zingahambi kahle, yonke lento iyabuya and then be like sakutshela ukuthi ngeke uzube lutho, yabo. Whenever empilweni I feel like izinto ziyangihlula njengamanje nje isimo engibhekene naso, kuvele kubuye zonke lezi zinto ezayishiwo ekhaya ukuthi hayi vele wena ngeke uzube lutho. Kuvele kubuye zonke izinto ezayishiwo abantu ukuthi hayi phela wena uyintandane, yabo. Because manje umuntu once had a belief ukuthi akekho destined yena for happiness. So ngalizama uthando nje kade ngisho to find ama-relationships. Nanama-relationships ngafeyila dismally. Le ama-relationships nayo ngizoyilokhunja, ngizoyinaba kahle on my next video, ngizoyinaba kahle because i-purpose njengoba ngishilo yalama video lawa is to share my unfiltered thoughts about i-upbringing yami. Khona umuntu engamthinta, khona umuntu engamshintsha, khona umuntu engammotivate. Baningi abantu engifisa bazi ukuthi kwizinto ababhekene nazo abekho bodwa. ngibile ngedwa mina isikhathi eside, namanje ngisangedwa. Ngisazonaba nje kakhulu kulawa amanye amavidiyo. Ngiyacela kobukayo la a-like-e, a-subscribe-e, atshele abanye, asendele abanye, ashere nabanye. Asazi ukuthi ubani mhlampe obuka intambo manje ongabona le vidiyo le, asizakale. Asazi ukuthi ingafika kubani kula bantu engiba-mention-ayo ukuthi they have been my pillar of strength like o-Roxanne, oMbusi, oMfundo, oSane, o-Lona, o-Lokhunja, o-Christine yabo, mhlampe nabo they might see it and uma beyibona ngifuna bazi ukuthi ngiyaba-appreciate-a kakhulu. Ngeke kusayenza phela i-sense manje for me to call them and then be like, I am struggling ngo-A_B_C because sebashada. uRoxanne ushadile, uChristina ushadile, so akekho omunye umuntu onga-understand-a unkosikazi wakhe ekhuluma nomfana noma nendoda ayefunda nayo e-university imtshela ngey'nkinga, 'cause it's gonna be seen like kushuthi bayajola noma bejola noma they are trying to rekindle i-relationship yabo engaphumelelanga eLokhunja e-university. So I do appreciate labo bantu kakhulu. Hopefully one day they'll come across lama vidiyo lawo. Ngiyacela nishere, nibuke, ngizoqhubeka ngifake amanye. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.